Parcel.
Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh.
I'm pressing the black one.
Dude, you're recording.
Really?
There's like a seat.
Y'all see that fire over there? Fire? No, that fire. Like there's like. Miguel. Olivia.
Oh, what is that? Y'all see that? It's a lizard.
Oh shit.
Hold on. No way it'll run.
Why is it kind of fat?
Should I grab it?
No, it's too close to the edge. Bro, if Sebastian falls from here, he's dead.
Hold on, maybe Sebastian, come back.
Y'all are too wet on the verge.
I thought I was gonna be able to jump over there, but nah. I thought I was gonna be able to jump down there.
Oh my god. I almost broke your camera, but I saved it at the same time.
It's got a grip.
It do. Hold on. Hold on. Wait for the grip this thing again. Grip it, bitch. Look.
Recording?
Yeah. But I'll just take off the audio if you want.
How long are you recording for? It's gonna die.
It has like 70. Oh!
70% in that.
I think it didn't stretch.
Look how far it goes.
It just turns blue. As you can see, the earth is flat. There's a lot of people that are actually flat earthers.
Don't get dizzy and fall, bro.
Dizzy.
Yeah.
I wanna get dizzy.
I'm just looking.
Y'all want to leave here and not go into school no more?
Yeah.
Oh, I think a bird gets pee on me.
Do birds pee?
No, there's just one. But they have like two stomachs.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Really?
The food and liquid goes to the same spot.
I'm so confused. They have two stomachs?
Can
someone bring
water?
Something like that.
Or do we have two stomachs?
No, we don't.
It just gets separated.
I know. Wait. Wait, what animal has two? Like, do cows have two?
Camels?
I don't know.
I think camels have like 5 stomachs.
God, what?
5? Yeah, so they
It
can
like
eat a
goes
lot.
through one and then it goes through another.
What do you own?
Other people.
Instagram.
Bird, don't fall. How am I supposed to grab it?
I know, it's giving me anxiety.
We're gonna be like Lion King. I'm gonna hold your hand. They die?
Everything dies at some point.
Mountain goats? Like mountain goats? Do they fall off?
Some of them, obviously.
Oh.
I think there's a house over
Where?
Oh, on the hill, I see it.
here. Yeah, like straight
Yeah.
right
Yeah. Isn't that like a rock?
Wait, how the fuck does he get there? Oh my god, I just thought about that. No, there is a house.
here. You think the bullet of a sniper can get all the way over there?
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
What? No.
How far do you think that is? How many feet?
That's miles.
Let me count.
Or how many miles do you think?
Like
6?
Well,
Like
it's a
one.
lot farther than you guys think.
Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah. The trees are really small, so like.
Wait, where were we? That way or this way?
All the way over there.
We're gonna still loop and come back.
Oh yeah, we're looping like all the way over there.
No, we have to loop that way.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Oh, we're going back.
Good.
Your camera's still. Just in case one of us falls off. You have a document.
The other one becomes famous in there.
You think we would die or like get stuck in a branch?
Look at the eagle, or
Oh no,
Hawk.
we would die.
It depends.
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't think we would die. We'll just take like severe damage.
Bro.
Fall damage.
Maybe
What
crippled
makes
for
you
think
think you would survive this?
Because it's not like a straight fall that you hit the ground. You're gonna bump like you
Exactly my point.
It'll slow you down. And maybe you'll get caught on something, you know? You can get caught on this tree right here. I don't know how the fuck it's growing like that.
You know how bad that would hurt?
I think a bird just pooped on me too.
No.
I'm saying. You guys just grab into like the leaves.
No, you
If you
don't.
grab the leaves, you like it'll
Grab
slow
the
you
leaves,
down.
motherfucker.
Like try to grab the branch and then slow yourself down.
What the fuck? You're gonna lose an arm.
I'd rather lose an arm than my leg. Oh, the green ones, cotton candy, like all of them are cotton candy?
Mhm.
How are you?
No,
What?
no. Not all the green ones are cotton candy. Those.
How do you make them?
It's just the type of grape.
It don't taste like cotton candy, it tastes like
Basically.
grape. I like the sour grapes. Oh my god,
Hey,
that
don't play
scared me.
around.
That shit went on my
What?
Bro, you got like a cockroach right here. Don't move, don't move. I'm kidding. If someone just saw what we do, like laugh or like,
Oh,
there he goes. Oh shit! Oh shit, he did. You think Bigfoot's in here? Someone
Only two. You do that when he's on the edge.
I was about to go. Stop.
No, bro,
Oh,
don't
imagine.
even play.
bro.
Just let me see how far.
That's what they do in Atlanta. The water boys.
Yeah.
But like, that makes
Oh,
sense.
great.
Why did it go so
That's a
far?
perfectly good grape.
What the heck?
We should get like a frisbee.
I should put
And do
It
what?
would go all the way over there.
whoever finds it.
Make a
win.
paper airplane.
This is actually, you know how close we are to death?
But bro, you
Oh
can
my
die
God.
at any moment, bro, in life.
Very true. Very
How?
true.
Heart attack. You just fucking do the juice and you die.
I think are gonna like skip first and second.
Wow.
Y'all just skipping.
Oh, I heard it.
You heard
There's
it?
no way.
I
I heard it too, I think. Hold on. Let me throw one.
Bro, I got sand all over.
No, don't throw the fucking.
Why?
Don't let me, bro.
No, here.
Carne is precious, bro.
It's like, can I throw it?
Yeah, those are dirty.
Shut the fuck up.
The bird just put it in you off.